SA 505 requires auditors to obtain reliable third-party confirmations to validate balances. At the same time, NRFA expects higher standards of audit quality, documentation, and audit evidence. However, traditional confirmation methods often failed to meet these expectations. WrapTax Digital Confirmation bridges this gap by offering a secure, auditable, and fully traceable confirmation process. Let's take a look at how it works. To begin, log in to the WrapTax platform. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, where all WrapTax tools are available. For this demo, we'll focus on digital confirmation. The first step is to create an organization. Click on New Organization and enter basic details such as the organization name, contact person's name, email ID, and mobile number. Once the organization is created, the next step is to create a new assignment. Click on Create Assignment and provide an assignment name. This name is purely for your internal reference. Next, add the sender details. The sender can be an auditor or any authorized person whose email ID will be used to send confirmation requests to clients or third parties. Simply enter the sender's name, email ID, and mobile number. Now select the audit type. You can choose from internal audit, statutory audit, tax audit, or others. Next comes the most important step, selecting the confirmation type. WrapTax offers 3 types of confirmations: Balance Confirmation, MSME Confirmation, and Balance plus MSME Confirmation. For this demo, we'll select Balance plus MSME Confirmation. At this stage, you can also change the organization if required, mention the branch name or select All if not applicable, and set the frequency for automated email reminders. Finally, select the date on which the balance or MSME status needs to be confirmed. Once the assignment is created, a new screen opens where you can upload balance details. Click on the Template option and download the Excel file. Let's quickly understand the details that need to be filled in. The first field is the reference number. This is for your internal tracking and can be any number, code, or combination you prefer. Next, enter the name of the entity to whom the confirmation will be sent. This name will appear in the confirmation communication. After that, enter the PAN of the entity, followed by the branch name. If the branch is not applicable, you may leave this field blank. Now, enter the name of the person who will receive the confirmation email, along with their email ID. The mobile number field is optional. If required, you can also add additional contacts. WrapTax allows you to add up to 5 recipients for a single entity. Next, select whether the balance is receivable or payable. This field is optional and can be left blank if not applicable. Then, select the currency and enter the amount. You may also add remarks for any additional clarification. Once all details are filled in, save the Excel file and upload it to the WrapTax portal. The system instantly validates the data and confirms whether it's ready to proceed. Before sending the confirmations, you can add CC recipients, edit the email template, or send a test email to review the communication. Once everything looks good, you can send all confirmations directly from the dashboard with just a single click. Now, let's see what the responding party receives. The email clearly shows the sender's details, organization name, and balance information. It also includes a secure link to confirm the balance. When the recipient clicks on the link, the confirmation page opens. Here, they can view the entity name, branch details, and PAN number. As we scroll down, the balance amount, currency, and nature of balance is displayed. If the balance shown is incorrect, the responding party can edit the amount, select whether it is payable or receivable, and enter the correct value. If the entity is registered under MSME, they can select the appropriate category: micro, small, or medium. They will need to enter the MSME registration number, certificate holder's name, and certificate date, and they can also upload the MSME certificate. If the entity is not registered under MSME, they can simply select that option. Next, the responding party verifies their email ID. An OTP is sent to the same email address. Here, just verify the CAPTCHA and wait for a few seconds. Once the OTP is entered, verification is completed. After submission, the response is securely recorded on the blockchain, ensuring authenticity and immutability. The responding party then receives a confirmation receipt email. This email shows the confirmation date and the name of the person who initiated the request. They can also verify the blockchain record by clicking on the verification link and pasting the reference number. The confirmation status is displayed instantly. Now, let's return to the WrapTax dashboard. Here, you can view the total confirmations sent, response rate, and total value. You can also see a detailed breakup of confirmed amounts, pending amounts, and differences identified. All this information is presented through intuitive graphs and tables, making analysis simple and effective. Additionally, you can track email delivery, email opens, link clicks, and response status, such as accepted, partially accepted, rejected, blocked, manual, or pending. This concludes the demo walkthrough. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can reach us anytime through the Support option. You can call us directly or write to us at the support email ID provided. Thank you for watching.